In this video, I'm going to explain what happens to your body if you take BCAAs, branch-chain amino acids, for 30 days. Make sure to watch till the end. It's packed with valuable info. Let's dive in. BCAAs are made up of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are proteinogenic, meaning they play a key role in protein synthesis in your body. Unlike non-essential amino acids, the body cannot synthesize these on its own, which means they must be obtained through your diet or supplements. BCAAs are crucial because they provide the body with essential amino acids that are needed for muscle repair and growth. Now, let's break down the function of each amino acid. Leucine. This amino acid is a powerhouse when it comes to muscle growth. Leucine helps lower glucose levels in the blood, which is important for stimulating the production of somatotropin, growth hormone. Somatotropin is critical for muscle mass gain and improving recovery. Isoleucine. This amino acid enhances endurance and speeds up the repair of damaged muscle tissue. It's particularly beneficial during high-intensity workouts. Isoleucine supports the body's ability to metabolize glucose, which provides energy during exercise. Valine plays a major role in repairing damaged muscle fibers and speeding up recovery time. It also helps with the production of serotonin, which helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. Valine reduces healing time for muscle strains and tears, promoting faster muscle growth. Should you take BCAAs? Whether or not you should take BCAAs depends largely on your diet. Many people follow specific diets that can be restrictive, leading to potential deficiencies in essential amino acids. If your diet is lacking in protein, or if you're undergoing intense physical activity, BCAA supplementation can help maintain your muscle health and recovery. However, it's important to note that BCAAs alone won't work magic. They're most effective when combined with strength training. When you lift weights, you cause tiny tears in your muscle fibers. During rest, these fibers rebuild, and BCAAs support that recovery process. Protein and amino acids are the building blocks that help repair these tears and contribute to muscle growth. Without the physical stimulus of exercise, taking BCAAs or protein won't help your muscles grow. Benefits of taking BCAAs. BCAAs, especially leucine, are vital for athletes, but don't overlook isoleucine and valine, as they enhance the effects of leucine and contribute significantly to muscle health. Here's how BCAAs benefit you: prevent muscle breakdown, catabolism, and promote muscle building. Anabolism. Replenish energy stores, especially during intense workouts. Accelerate muscle recovery, reducing soreness and inflammation after exercise. Boost endurance and overall performance in both strength and endurance training. Enhance fat-burning processes by preserving lean muscle mass while shedding fat. BCAAs are particularly beneficial during a cutting phase, where fat loss is the goal. They help repair muscle tissue without adding extra carbs, making it easier to retain muscle definition while improving endurance. How much BCAAs should you take? A typical daily dosage for BCAAs ranges from 4 to 8 grams, taken 3 times a day. This range works well, whether your goal is to build muscle mass or burn fat. Adjustments can be made depending on your individual needs and training intensity. When taken in appropriate doses, BCAAs are generally safe with very few side effects. Because they're essential amino acids, they're critical for normal bodily function, especially during periods of high physical exertion. Even with higher doses, the risk of adverse effects is minimal. Contraindications. BCAAs are safe for most people, but there are some exceptions. They should be avoided by individuals under the age of 16, who are pregnant or breastfeeding, with pre-existing cardiovascular or kidney conditions, who have allergies to any of the ingredients in BCAAs. If you fall into one of these categories, consult with a healthcare professional before considering supplementation. BCAAs are an excellent supplement for anyone looking to improve muscle recovery, endurance, and growth. When paired with a proper diet and consistent strength training, BCAAs can help you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Be sure to listen to your body and always consult a professional if you have any underlying health conditions. And don't forget to check out more videos on this channel for additional tips and tricks on fitness and nutrition. The links are on your screen right now. See you soon.